Hi everyone and welcome back to my Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to talk about which province in Canada has the lowest tax rates. Taxes are an important consideration for those earning an income in Canada. As a country with a developed welfare infrastructure and socially accessible public programs, taxes play a crucial role in Canadian society, and further in the welfare of those in Canada. The province or territory that has the lowest income tax rates in Canada is Nunavut. However, the question is more complex than it may appear at first glance. Let's understand income taxes in Canada. Income taxes are twofold in Canada. There is the federal income tax rate which applies to all residents in Canada, across all provinces and territories, and the provincial income tax rate which varies from province to province. However, this is not the case. Instead, income is taxed in a tiered system across these brackets. For example, the 2023 tax rates cite 15% tax on income that is $53,359 Canadian dollars or less. If your yearly income in Canada is $90,000 Canadian dollars, instead of simply jumping to the relevant federal tax rate for your bracket, 20.5%, you would instead pay the applicable tax on the amount that corresponds to the lower bracket. This means instead of paying $18,950 of income tax, 20.5% flat rate, you instead pay $15,515 in annual income tax. According to Statistics Canada, the average national employment income of a Canadian worker, aged 16 and over, in 2021, the last available Canadian income survey, was $51,600 Canadian dollars, which we can use as pre-tax income. Northwest Territories, $7,502 Canadian dollars, Nunavut, $6,727 Canadian dollars, and Yukon, $7,704 Canadian dollars. We can see that the tax payable is the lowest in Nunavut. However, this may not be constant, and can vary greatly on one's income and expenses. To get the best idea of what taxes you might pay in each province, let's understand consumption taxes in Canada. Consumption taxes break down similarly to income taxes. While the federal government imposes a national consumption tax known as a general sales tax, PST, Canadian residents are required to pay both kinds of taxes on goods and services purchased within Canada. Note that some goods and services are exempt from these taxes. Some provinces combine the GST with their local PST, creating what is called a harmonized sales tax, HST. While HST functions exactly like charging GST and PST separately, it is more convenient for bookkeeping as a single tax rate. The national GST in Canada, in 2023, is 5%. Among provinces that charge both consumption tax rates, the 2023 HST rates are Ontario, 13%, New Brunswick, 15%, Newfoundland and Labrador, 15%, Nova Scotia, 15%, and Prince Edward Island, 15%. In addition, the following provinces and territories do not charge a PST and only charge GST on goods and services: Alberta, Northwest Territories, Nunavut, and Yukon. In the end, I would like to request you please like the video and subscribe Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel, and also share this video to your friends and family members for Canada immigration updates. Thank you. See you in the next video. Take care.